Hello and welcome to another Pursuing Travel with the Millers World Culinary Journey. We're going to head up to the Great White North and explore Tim Hortons. So that's a Canadian coffee company that was founded in Canada with a really unique story and a very Canadian story. A hockey star actually founded, and his name was, of course, Tim Horton. So I kind of liken it to, um, I mean, it's a donut shop plus great coffee, specialty kind of coffees and things like that. Timbits are, and kind of like a donut hole, but filled with different kind of things. It was formed in the '60s, and it can be found pretty much anywhere in Canada, and has actually been spreading to the U.S. and abroad as well. There's one in Houston that I've seen so far. But the donuts that they have there are great, and they have a lot of really unique kind of flavors that I've found compared to some other kind of places. So like this Biscoff Boston cream donut that we did try, and it was wonderful, super super sweet as you can imagine. And they also have cookies and all kinds of different things. So just a regular donut, glazed donut is great. Getting the Boston cream Biscoff, and we've gone to Tim Hortons a few times. We've been to them in places like Calgary, Vancouver, and elsewhere. Their cookies, very good as well, but they serve more than just the donuts and things like that. They have warm meals that you can get there. So we have not tried any of those yet, but that's something that we need to do is give that a try. And in the Vancouver airport, just recently, they were putting out Timbits that represent different countries for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. So we got a amazing Mexican flavored coffee, that kind of a churro flavored coffee that was wonderful, and there was all kinds of different flavored Timbits as well. So really, really great place to go. And if you've never tried a Tim Hortons, give it a try. It's very, very good. Thanks for watching. Contact us at ET Family Travel to plan your next vacation.